Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to be here again, Emily.
Always nice to have you here, Paul, and a big thank you to everyone watching. We're so happy you're learning English with us today.
Yes, and if you enjoy our lessons, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
That's right. Now, today's topic is super useful for beginners. We're going to talk about daily routines, the things we do every day.
Exactly. You'll learn common English verbs and phrases you can use to describe your day, from morning to night. Let's begin.
So, Paul, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up, usually around 6:30 a.m. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
Nice. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., a bit later than you. And yes, get out of bed is a very common and useful phrase.
Right. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have coffee and toast. Simple but delicious.
That sounds nice. I usually drink tea and eat cereal. After breakfast, I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes for the day.
Exactly. And if I'm going out, I put on my shoes and my coat, then leave the house. Where do you go in the morning, Paul?
I usually go to work. Sometimes I work from home, but often I go to the office.
That's great. Whether you study or work, having a routine helps you stay organized. What do you usually do at work?
I sit at my desk, use my computer, and answer emails. I also write reports and sometimes have meetings with my colleagues.
Those are great work-related verbs. I also work on my computer, and I sometimes teach lessons or plan new content.
That sounds interesting. Around 1 p.m., I have lunch, usually a sandwich or salad.
Healthy choice. I sometimes go out to eat with co-workers or bring lunch from home. After lunch, we usually go back to work until the end of the day.
I try to finish my tasks before 5 p.m. so I can relax in the evening. After work, I go home and relax. Sometimes I watch TV or listen to music.
I like to cook dinner when I get home. I often make pasta or chicken and rice, something easy but tasty.
Yum! After dinner, I wash the dishes and maybe read a book or talk to my family.
Those are great evening activities. I sometimes go for a walk or watch a movie before bed.
Same here. And before sleeping, I always brush my teeth again and go to bed, usually around 10:30.
I go to bed a bit later, around 11 p.m. That's a nice way to end the day.
A good night's sleep is super important. It helps you stay fresh for the next day.
Before sleeping, I sometimes make a cup of herbal tea and sit quietly for a few minutes. It helps me calm my mind after a long day and prepares me for a good night's rest.
That's a great idea, Emily. I often take a few minutes to think about the things I'm grateful for. It helps me end the day with a positive mindset.
I also like to plan my next day before going to bed. I write down my to-do list and small goals, so I don't feel stressed in the morning.
Sometimes I listen to soft music or an audiobook while lying in bed. It helps me relax and slowly fall asleep without checking my phone too much.
Yes, putting the phone away before sleeping is so important. It helps your brain rest properly, and you wake up feeling more focused and energetic.
Let's review some important verbs from today's lesson. 27. Both together, alternating quickly or as voice overlay. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, make breakfast, have breakfast, get dressed, leave the house, go to work, sit at my desk, work on my computer, answer emails, write reports, have lunch, go home, relax, watch TV, cook dinner, wash the dishes, write a book, talk to family, go for a walk, listen to music, go to bed.
Great job, everyone! You can use these verbs to talk about your own day in English.
Try writing a few sentences about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I have lunch at 1.
Exactly! Practice speaking them out loud. It will help you sound more confident.
And remember, the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
If you want to improve faster, record yourself speaking these sentences and listen back. You'll notice which words you need to pronounce more clearly.
That's a great tip. You can also try practicing with a friend. Ask them about their routine and answer in full sentences. It makes learning more fun and interactive.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to keep talking and use these verbs naturally in your daily conversations.
You can even describe your routine while you're doing it. For example, say, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm cooking dinner. It helps build your fluency in real time.
Another idea is to write a short paragraph every night about your day. Over time, you'll notice your vocabulary and grammar improving.
Also, try mixing new words into your daily routine sentences, like commute, prepare, or organize. It'll make your English sound more advanced and natural.
And most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning English is easier when you stay positive and keep practicing a little every single day.
That's it for today's lesson. We hope this video helped you learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine like?
We love reading your comments and helping you improve. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great.
Thanks for watching Mr. English Podcast. See you next time and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.